resolved. This video has been prepared for educational purposes only. No part of it may be reproduced or copied without the permission of the copyright holder.
Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel of S. Chand Academy. I am Shreyans Kothari and I am here for the video solution of Quantitative Aptitude, one of the best books in the country for quantitative aptitude. Any competition exam you are going to fight, and this is the book which is going to help. See, there are n number of things, n number of questions there, and for last few days I have been teaching the book with the concept building part, and after the concept building part we are doing the real questions of that concept. So today we are here with the chapter number 32. So chapter number 32 is true discount. You have landed here, maybe two reasons. One of the reasons is you have this book and you have scanned the QR code, or the other reason is you just want to know the topic. So this is complete topic, complete video covering the topic. In the starting, what we'll do is we will try to build your concept, build the idea behind what exactly true discount is, and then we'll do some questions. See, we have heard about discount, but okay, discount is always discount. What is true discount? Let's learn from the book itself. Here we go. This is the important concept in the book itself, right? See, what does it say? It says, suppose a man has to pay rupees 156 after 4 years. What does it say? It says, एक आदमी को 156 rupees 4 years के बाद pay करना है. And the rate of interest is 14% per annum. And the rate of interest is 14% per annum. So, clearly, 100 rupees at 14% will amount to 156 in 4 years. If you go by 14 into 14, 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14, 4 times that, you will get 56. So, 100 rupees at 14% per annum will amount 156 in 4 years. Yes. So, the payment of 100 rupees now will clear off the debt of 156 due 4 years hence. So, if you give 100 rupees today or if you give 156 rupees after 4 years are same, because 14% per annum is the interest rate. So, it will add up to 156 in 4 years. So, sum due is equal to 156 4 years hence after 4 years. Present worth is 100 rupees. Why does 100 rupees? Just because of 14% of interest rate. So, what is true discount? The true discount is 156, that is the sum due, minus the present worth is equal to 56. So, that is known as the true discount. True discount is what? Sum due minus present worth of that amount. We define true discount as interest on PW. That is present worth plus total interest what will be counted and the amount will be there. So, amount is equal to present worth and true discount. It is the same again and again saying. See, true discount is sum due minus PW. So, amount is PW plus TD. Interest is reckoned on PW and true discount is reckoned on amount. It should be known that if you subtract the interest from the amount, you will get the present worth. So, that amount is known as true discount. Okay, let's give some formulas. All the formulas are written in the book. What I need now is just take out your registers, notebooks, and write all the formulas so that, see, each and every question is very easy. Just remember the formula and it will be done. Just remember the formula and it is done. Not a very tough topic and also a very small topic, not a big topic, right? See, present worth. What is present worth? Present worth is 100 into the amount. Amount is what? That is going to, you are going to get after a certain years, right? So, 100 into amount, divide by 100 plus R into T. R is the rate of interest and time in years, how many years you will get, right? So, T is time, R is rate of interest, 100 into amount. Or you can say 100 into true discount. Present worth is 100 into true discount divide by R into T, right? We go for the next thing. True discount. What is true discount? True discount is just the reverse of that. So present worth into R by T, R into T, divide by 100. Because you know, in the previous slide, we saw PW is TD into 100 by R by T. When you multiply R by T here and 100 divide, you get TD. So TD is what? True discount is present worth into R into T. If you remember, there was something known as SI, simple interest. What is simple interest? Simple interest is PRT upon 100. It is same PRT upon 100. And if you remember what I told you, the true discount, the actual interest. So when you subtract amount minus the present worth, it is what? True discount. And that is what interest is all about. So TD, true discount, is amount into R into T divide by 100 plus R into T. So it is known as true discount. What is sum? Sum is the simple interest into true discount divide by simple interest minus true discount. True discount will always be from the amount and the simple interest will be always on present worth, that is principal amount, right? Principal. Okay. So SI minus TD is known as SI on TD. SI minus TD is what? SI on true discount. True discount पे कितना SI लगा है? And if you put that in compound interest formula, the present worth is this. If the interest is calculated as compound interest and not the simple interest. See, all this formula and theory part is easy and needs to be understood. But more important is what? We do some questions. So we do some questions, you get to know the things, how things go ahead. Okay, so let's come to the question. Sorry. Let's come to the exercise part. There's one exercise, objective type questions. And here we go. Here is question number 1 for you all. The present worth, that is PW, is given as rupees 2,310. Due is 2.5 years. So hence, and the rate of interest being 15%. So you want present worth is the what? See, this is the amount, this is the time, and this is R. So if you remember, present worth, what is the formula of present worth? So it is, if you remember, 100 into amount divide by 100 plus R into T. This is the most common formula you need to remember, and that was the first formula we did, and that is very important formula. So we just put the values and we get the answer. See, this is 100, so we put it here 100. What is amount? 2310 divide by 100, 100 is there, plus R into T. What is R? 15. And T, time is what? T. T is 2.5, so 2.5. So let's calculate this. 100 into 2310 divide by 100 plus 15 into 5 by 2. 2.5 is 5 by 2, right? So we come like 15 into 5, 45 by 2. So it is 100 into 2310 divide by 100 plus 15 into 5 by 2. 5 by 2, say we do it like that. See, we will calculate it very easily so that each and every student gets to know what exactly happened, right? So when we add these two, this is 2 into 100, right? So 200 plus 15 into 5. 15 into 5 is what? 75. So it is 75 divide by 2. And we put like 2310 into 100. This 2 goes here, it becomes into 2, right? Because we know whatever in the denominator part, just reciprocal so that we get multiplication over there. Okay. So what we do, 2310 into 200 divide by 275, right? So just do one thing, do simple calculation so that you don't get distracted. Okay, so we calculate, we divide by 5. So 27 is 5 times 25. So 5, we get again 2, 5 is 25. So we get 55 here. And when we do like 23, 23 is 20. 20 is 4 times. So we get 31. Now 31 is 6 times. That is 30. Then 2. It is 462 by 55. When we do it like 55 is 11, no, we do it like 5 and we cut it by 11. So we go 44. 44 is like, sorry, 44 is 4 times. We get 2 as a remainder, 22. We get 42. So here is it 5 and here is 42. Now 5 into 8, sorry, not 8. 5 into 40 is 200. So we get 40 into 42 as answer, right? So we just do 42 into 40. So we get 0, 0, whatever. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 4, 4 into 4, 16. So we get 1680 as our final answer. So the present worth today is 1680. Is there any option like 1680? Yes, we do have. So just calculate this. You don't need to do anything. You just need to calculate the formula, and very easy math calculation, just in multiple of hundreds or fives, or that is it. So very simple question, but very important question to know about present worth, right? We move on to another question, friends. We go there, the true discount on 256,256 due 4 months hence is 122. You need to find the rate of interest, right? Okay, so see, this is the amount, sum due, right? So sum due is 2562. And what is true discount? The true discount is 122. So if you remember, if I want to calculate present worth, it is like amount minus TD, if you remember. So present worth is 2562 and true discount is 122. So if I do 22, so it is like 2440, because 2 minus 2 is 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 1 is 1. So 2440 is the present worth. So now if I want to calculate the true discount, right, or we want to calculate the rate percent. So true discount is equal to PW into R into T by 100. But my question is what rate? So I'll put rate here, right? And then what I'll do is rate here, and everything is true discount into 100 divide by PW into T. That is what exactly we know, right? Okay, so what is TD? We put all the values. TD is 122 into 100 divided by present worth is 2440. And what is the time? Time given is 4 months. So when you go 4 months and you need to calculate in the year form, so it is like 4 divided by 12, right? Okay, so this is the last thing we need to calculate, right? Here we go 4 into 1 and 4 into 3. Now 3 like this. So don't do that, sorry. Just put a 3 here. Because I just saw 122, 2440. It is just 20 times, because 122 into 2 is 244 and that 0. Just put a 0 over here, right? 0 bhi cut ho gaya. Now it is like 2 by 3. So it is 10 by 2 by 3, right? We just multiply this 3 into here. So 3 into 10 by 2 is 30 by 2 and 30 by 2 is 15. So what is rate of interest? 15%. Let's see, is there any option 15%? Yes, there is. Here we go. We got the answer. That was so easy for you. Just remember the formulas. What we did, just going with a quick recap, we just did was we had amount. So we found the present worth. Present worth was amount minus the true discount. Everything was given. So we got present worth. Now present worth, we know the formula of true discount is present worth into R into T by 100. We just found the R and that was our answer. That was so simple. Just need to calculate very easily. So I am doing that very easily. So move on to next question, everybody. Here we go. We have question number 5 with us. Let's see what does it say. It says the true discount on a bill due 9 months hence at 16% annum is 189. The amount of the bill, you need to count the amount. Let's see what we can do. Okay. So we have true discount with us. That is 189. And we have the rate of interest and we have the time, right? So if you remember, we have a formula PW into R into T divided by 100 is actually true discount or SI or whatever you say. So true discount here is 189. So I put all the values. 189 is equal to PW we need to calculate into rate of interest is 16%. Into time is given 9 by 12 and divide by 100. So just calculating very easy on a very easy note, right? Let's try to find out. What I do? I do one thing. Put that 12 not here, here, so that no confusion at all, right? So 12 is 6 and 8, right? Then we go 3 and we go 4. Done. 4 is like 25. So all done. Now here we go with 3. So 3 and 3. Now we have 3 over here, 25 over here. So PW is 189. We have 189 here. 3 goes in bottom. So 3 here into 25 here. That is it, right? So 3 into 6 and 3 into 3. So 63 into 25 is our answer and that will be present worth. Okay. So what we do is very simple way to calculate. See, when you are multiplying by 25, it is better to do 25 can be written as 100 by 4. That is what actually it was in the start. So 63 into 100 divide by 4. So it comes out to be 6300 divide by 4. So just simple do with that. 6 into 1, that 4 into 1, 4. There is remainder of 2. So 23, that is 5. So 30 remains. Now 30. So 34, that is 28. So 7 times we get 2 as a remainder. 2 is 5, 20. So 1575. Now I have got PW as 1575, right? But this is not what is asked. What I am asked is the amount. So amount is what? When you add the TD to the present worth plus true discount goes to amount. So we have TD as 189, right? So what we'll do is we will add 189 to it. If we'll add 189 to it, 9 and 5 is 14, 1, 7 and 8, 8 and 8, 16, 1 carry, 5 and 1 and 6 and 7. So the final answer is 1764. That is the final amount due. So 1764. Here we go. We got the answer. We cracked the code and that was so easy. Just do the calculation and that was very easy calculation, not a big calculation. Just do some small calculation and you get the answer. So I told you earlier, the topic true discount is not that tough. We move on to next question. So that simple interest in true discount on the certain sum is given. Time at a given rate is 85 and 80 respectively. The sum is what? If you remember, there was a very small formula for that. If you remember, the formula was sum is equal to SI into time true discount upon SI minus true discount, if you remember. So, what is SI? SI is 85 into 80 divide by 85 minus 80. So, if you minus that 85 minus 80, it comes 5. So, 85 into 80 divide by 5. If you cut like that, it will go to 16, right? So, we need to multiply 16 into 5 and 16 into 85 is 1360. So, final answer is 1360. Let's see if there is any option like that. Yes, it is. So, 1360 is our final answer. That's it. So, you need to do very slowly, easily, calm. That is it. No issues at all. We move on to another question. Question number 9 for you. Aman wants to sell his scooter. Okay, Aman sell karna cha raha apna scooter. There are two offers, दो offers hai. One is like 1200 cash now, or other is at credit of 12880 to be paid after 8 months, money being 18% per annum. Which is the better offer? Let's see which is better option. So one is cash directly given, other is credit. So credit at 12880, amount is given. Just think about it. If amount is given and if we calculate the present worth, it will be easy for us to compare the present worth with the cash amount. Whatever comes better, that is our answer. So if you remember, there was a formula for that. Present worth is equal to amount into 100 divide by 100 into, sorry, not 100 into, 100 minus R into T, 100 plus R into T, right? So, amount into 100 upon 100 plus R into T. Just put all the values so that it will, okay, here we go. So, amount is 12880 into 100 divide by 100 plus R. What is R? Rate of interest 18. Time 8 months. So 8 divided by 12. Why do we do that 12? Because we have to calculate in years, right? So let's come here. So 12 is 6. It is 4. 6 into 3. So 3 into 4 is 12. So denominator is 112 because 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 100 is 112. Here it is 12880 and 0. Do simple calculation so that you will never be wrong, right? What we'll do is 112, 128. Just cut it once, right? 1, so see, 12880. Here will come as 112. So 8 by 2 is 6. 2 minus 1 is again 1 and 168, right? So we'll do 1 again 1. So it will be like 112. Now it is like 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 560. 560. Do one thing. 112 into 5. 5 into 2, 10. 1, 5 and 1, 5 and 1, 6. 5, 1, 5, 560. Yeah, kya baat hai? So it is like 5 times. So we do it 5 and there are 2 zeros, so zeros. So it is 11,500. So if you sell something after 8 months, 8 years, hence it will be like 12880. The present worth is 11,500. And if you are getting cash of 12,000 today, what is the best offer? Obviously 12,000 today. So just do one thing, get the 12,000 bucks in your hand and that is the best offer. You get 500 more. That's it. Go ahead, move ahead. Go to another question. Question number 11 for you all. Let's see what does it say. Okay, so the present worth of 1404 due in two equal parts. So what we need to do first? First, we need to do two things. See, 1404 when divided by 2, we get 702 and 702. It is for 6 months, that is half year, and this is for 1 year, right? So what is the present worth? Present worth is amount is 702 into 100 divide by 100 plus r into t. What is rate of interest? Rate of interest 8% into time 1 by 2 because 1 is half years. Other, again amount is 702 into 100 divide by 100 plus r into t. What is r? R is again 8%, but that is this time 1. So if you remember my formula, what I shared in the starting of this video, present worth is amount into 100 divided by 100 plus r into t. That is the best formula I told you. We will use it again and again. You need to remember when you do true discount. Very easy way. Just do simple calculation and it will be done, right? This time what we did is 702 once and 702 because it was said half yearly, right? So we divided that for 1404 into two parts. One for half year, one for full year, right? Let's calculate. It becomes 4. So 702 into 100 divide by 104 because we'll add that plus 702 into 100 divide by 108. So I need to divide 702 divide by 104. We'll do it very easily because it's 702. So when I do it 6 times, because 4 will become, in 7 times 4 will become 4 into 7, that is 28. So it will go 728. Oh, no, not required. So 6 times. 6 into 4 is 24 and 6 ones are 6. So it is 624. So when I subtract this, 2 minus 4, 12 minus 4 is 8. Then it will become 69. 9 minus 2 is 7. So it will be 780. We have extra zeros with us. We put 2 zeros here so that we are safe. Now if you remember, it was 7 times. So it is 728. Why 28? Because 7 into 4 is 28. 7 1 is 7, right? When you subtract this 0, 10 minus 8 is 2 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So it is 5 2 and 1 0 from this side, 520. So we multiply by 5 into 4, 20 and 5 ones are 5. So 520 directly cut. So this value comes out to be 675, right? Let's calculate this also. I just rub it from this place. Now it is 702 00 divided by 108. So do one thing, same thing 6 times. So 8 into 6, that is 48 and 6 into 6, 40, right? 648. So it is 12 minus 8 now. 12 minus 8 is 4, 79, 69, 9 minus 4 is 5. So it becomes 540. Now do one thing, 5 times. 5 into 8 is 40, 5 ones are 5. So 540 and 10. So it is like 650. So 650, 650, 1300 plus 25. We got 325, 1325, 1325. We just added two values. So what exactly the present worth is? The present worth is 1325. Here we go. We got the answer. Bingo. Simple question, simple calculation, and here you go. Very simple calculation. Don't be panic for these big numbers. These will go very easily out. Okay, we move on to another question. Question number 12 with you. Okay, let's see what does it say. The trader owes a merchant rupees 10,028 due 1 year hence. The trader wants to settle the account after 3 months. If the rate of interest is 12% annum, how much cash should be paid? See, after 3 months he wants to pay, right? So the remaining time will be 9 months only. we need to calculate the present worth. That is it. See, after 3 months he wants to pay. So we have to calculate after 3 months what is the present worth, right? So after 3 months, 9 months are remaining. If 9 months are remaining, we have to calculate the time of 9 months only, right? So the trader owes a merchant of 10,028. We want to calculate the present worth. That is exactly the same as we are doing again and again. Amount into 100, 100 plus R into T, right? Just put all the values. 10,028, 10,028 and 12%. Here we go. 10,028, 10,028, right? It was 10028. Yes, it is. Into 100. Here we go. Into 100. Divide by 100 plus R. Rate of interest is 12%. And time is 9 months. So 9 by 12. So here we go. 12 se 12 cut gaya. Seedha sa yahi bacha, right? I just cross checked the time. The percentage rate was 12%. That's it. So it is like 10028 into 100 divide by 109. Let's see. Let's divide 10028 divide by 109. It cannot go 1 times this way also. So we go with 9 times for the whole thing. So 9 into 9, 81. And 9 ones are 9. So 981, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. And 9 minus 9 is 0. So 21 is left. Only 21. Now what we do is, so we come with 8 here. So 218. When you multiply by 2, 9 2 ja 18. And 9 into 10, 9 into 1 is 9. So 218, right? 2 into 1 is 218. So here we go 92 and there are 2 zeros there. So answer is 9200. Let's see. Is there any question? Is there any option 9200? Here we go. Very simple way to do. Because after 3 months if you want to settle and the due was 1 year, so remaining 9 months only are calculated and we did that, right? Okay, so let's move on to another question. Question number 13 is in front of you. A man buys a watch for 1915 cash and sells at 2200 at credit of 1 year. If the rate of interest 10%, let's see how much he gains or lose. See, the 1950 cash is what? Its cost price. So CP is with us. We need to calculate SP, that is selling price, right? Selling price at the credit. So we just find out the present worth, and present worth is same formula. So we do present worth amount. Amount is 2200 into 100 divide by 100 plus R into T. What is R and what is T? R is 10 times 1. That's it. So we get to know 2200 into 100 upon 110, 110, 00, 200. So it gets 2000. The present worth is 2000 and we got it in 1950. So cost price is 1950, selling price is 2000. We got gain of 50 rupees. That's it. A very simple way to calculate. We just calculated present worth, we got the gain. These are the type of questions which are in the book and that is so easy for you all. Just understand these and whatever questions are remaining, you need to do them, you need to solve them so that this concept comes in your, is clearly there in your mind and you get it very clear, right? Here we move on to another question. A big question, I guess. Let's see what does it say. A owes B 1573, payable 1.5 years. Also, B owes A 1444.50 rupees, payable at 6 months hence. If they want to settle the account worth, keeping 14% at the rate of interest, then who and who. Simple question, I guess. See, need to calculate the present worth of both. And what is the difference? What is the answer? That's it. It is previous year question, previous year exam question. So let's do it, man. See, A owes B. I start from here. A owes B. So we need to calculate the present worth. Present worth is amount, that is 1573 into 100 divide by 100 plus R into T, right? So what is R? What is T? R is 14%, that is kept constant, and time is 1.5 years. So what I'll do is I'll put directly here R into time. Time is 3 by 2 because it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So here we go by 7. So finally we need to find out 1573 into 100 divide by 7, 321, 121. Simply divide that 157,300 and here we have 121. So 121 one time. So it is 120 and 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. 363. So simply we add 3. So 3 into 1, 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So 363 and 2 zeros. So the quotient is 1300. That means A owes 1300 as present worth to B. Now let's see how much B owes to A. Let's see, do it here. B owes 1444.50 into 100 because we know amount into 100 divide by 100 plus R. R is same 1414. Time is 6 months. So 6 months is half the year. We just do 1 by 2. So what we get is 7. Now we need to multiply this. Divide 14450 divide by what? 107. 100 plus 7. 107. 107. So 107 one time. We get 14 minus 7 as 7. We get 37 here and we get 4 here, right? 374. आगे calculate करते हैं इसे, चलिए. We do it 3 times, so 7 3 are 21 and 3. So we get 3, 7 by 2 is 5. We get 5 here. So I guess very easy for us now. Now it is 535 and we do it by 5. So 5 into 7. 35 and 5 ones are 5. So cross and we get a 0. So B owes 1350 and A owes 1300. So when we find the difference between them, 1350 minus 1300 is 50 and B owes 50 rupees, right? B owes 50 rupees. Let's see, is there any option? Yes, it is. B owes 50 rupees. This is previous year question and these type of question come in exam. You need to do all the questions, remaining questions. I'll do 1-2 question more. Let's see. Here we go. Question number 21. This is the last question for us for this video. Let's see what does the question say. The difference between simple interest and true discount is 2400 due 4 years hence at 5% annum simple interest is. Okay, so first thing we need to find out is true discount. So true discount, if you remember the formula with the amount given, it was like A into R into T divide by 100 plus R into T. If you remember, we had a formula earlier, right? So we need to calculate true discount first so that we can calculate simple interest. Let's see what does it say. So we put all the formulas here. Amount, what is amount? 2400. What is the rate of interest is 5%, time is 4 years, divided by 100 plus 5 into 4. So it comes out to be 120. So 2400 into 5 into 4. Just write 20 here and it is 120 because 5 into 4 is 20. 20 plus 100 is 120. So it is just the 2 times 20, 2 times that is 20. So we get 400. Now what is said? The difference between simple interest and true discount. SI minus TD. If you remember, it was like SI minus TD. Simple interest minus true discount is equal to SI on TD. If you remember, the difference between SI minus TD is SI on TD. So just calculate SI on TD. True discount पर कितना simple interest लगेगा? So if you remember, the simple interest is PRT upon 100. Now this time principal is true discount. So true discount into R into T by 100. What is true discount? We come just calculate 400. What is time? 4. What is this? What is the time? And what is time is 4 years and rate of interest is 5. Divide by 100. PRT upon 100. So this 0 goes 0. So 4 into 4, 16 into 5, 80. So the difference between SI and TD is 80 rupees. Here we go. Do we have any option like 80? Yes, we do have. So it was SSC CHSL 2015 question. Simple question. If you follow this book, you are not going to go anywhere. You are just on your aim. That is it. You are just aiming at your aim. You are aiming at your success. You are aiming at your aspiration. So just follow this book. Whether it is NDA or CDS or bank or SSC or railway, any damn thing you want to do, any career you have opted, just follow this book, because each and everything is there. And if you are following this channel for the video solution, just do one thing: share this video to all your friends. Just buy the book, completely solve the book, and subscribe this channel also, because after subscribing, you will get to know each and every update of this book or any other book on this channel. So keep watching, keep doing questions, keep solving questions. Do work hard, do work smart. Thank you and take care.